Hello students, in my last video we have learned the concept of chemical bonding. Yes, then the Lewis approach to chemical bonding. On the basis of that Lewis approach, Lewis approach, we studied the concept octet rule. Okay. Today I am going to discuss the next topic from this chapter, that is modes of chemical combination, or we can say that types of chemical bonds. Okay students, in the light of the octet rule, Lewis and Cosell have given the electronic theory of chemical bonding. Electronic theory of chemical bonding. According to this electronic theory, atoms take part in the bond formation to complete their octet. That means, or to acquire the electronic configuration of the nearest inert gas atoms. Okay. That means what? According to octet rule, every atom take part in chemical reaction to attain the 8 electron configuration in its outermost shell or valence shell. Then, yes, this can be achieved by, number one, by transfer of electrons. By transfer of electrons from one atom of an element, to the atom of another element. Okay? That means what? Yes, chemical bond. One type of chemical bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom of an element to the atom of another element. Okay. Yes, the bond formed is called ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Then the next type bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons from one atom of an element to the atom of another element. Yes, the next type chemical bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons from one atom of an element to the atom of another element. This type of bond is called covalent bond. Covalent bond. And the third type chemical bond is formed by one side sharing of electrons. One side sharing of electrons. Okay, this bond is called coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Okay friends, then let us study about the first type of chemical bond, that is ionic or electrovalent bond. Okay. Okay. We can consider the ionic bond formation in NaCl. Okay. Sodium chloride. The formation of sodium chloride molecule. Please listen. We know sodium chloride molecule is formed by the combination of one sodium atom and one chlorine atom. Yes, sodium, its atomic number is 11. Okay, and its shell-wise electronic configuration 281. That means what? The sodium atom has one electron in its outermost shell. Sodium atom has one valence electron. Okay. Yes. This valence electron can be represented by using crosses. This is the Lewis symbol of sodium. Yes. Then sodium combines with chlorine. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. Yes. The chlorine atom has 7 valence electrons in its outermost shell. Yes. Then the easy way to acquire the 8 electron configuration is, yes, sodium atom. When sodium atom loses its 1 electron, its configuration becomes 2H. Then sodium atom acquire 8 electron configuration in its outermost shell by losing 1 electron. Yes, sodium atom has a tendency to lose 1 electron in its outermost shell. Then its new configuration becomes 2H. Okay. Then the easy way to acquire the 8 electron configuration in the case of chlorine atom. Okay, that is yes, when the chlorine atom, yes, gains one electron, its configuration becomes what? 288. That means during the formation of sodium and chlorine, the 1 valence electron from sodium is completely transferred to the valence shell of chlorine. Yes, we know that it is electrically neutral. Then when sodium atom loses 1 electron, it becomes a positively charged ion. Na plus ion is formed. Na plus ion. Yes. Then when chlorine atom gains this electron from chlorine, okay, it becomes negatively charged ion. Yes, negatively charged ion. Okay. Then here the both atoms, sodium and chlorine, okay, yes, changed to oppositely charged ions. We know the attractive force operates between the oppositely charged ion is called electrostatic force. Then some electrostatic force operates between the positively charged sodium and negatively charged chlorine Na plus and Cl minus ion. Cl minus ion, yes, this electrostatic force of attraction is called ionic bond. Okay, yes, okay, then we can say that ionic bond is formed by the complete transference of valence electrons from one atom to the valence shell of other atom. Okay, yes. Then, and the next main point, it is formed between metal and non-metals. Okay, sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal, and ionic bond is formed between atoms of metals and non-metals. Okay, and we know that it is electrically neutral. Okay, yes. When the atom loses one or more valence electrons, it becomes positively charged ion, and when an atom gains the valence electron, it becomes negatively charged ion. Yes, that means here by, yes, okay, losing electron, sodium becomes positively charged ion, that is cation. By gaining electron, the non-metal chlorine atom, okay, is converted to negatively charged ion or anion. Then the positive and negative ions attracted to one another. The positive and negative ions are attracted to one another by electrostatic force, which constitutes the ionic bond. Then what is meant by ionic bond? Ionic bond is the electrostatic force of attraction which holds oppositely charged ions in a molecule. Then, okay, yes. Then, we know the valency is the combining capacity of an atom. Yes. Okay. Then, here, sodium atom loses one electron during the formation of ionic bonds. Here we use the term electrovalency. Electrovalency, yes. Here, the electrovalency of sodium is +1 and that of chlorine is -1. Sodium atom loses one electron and chlorine atom gains one electron. Yes. That means electrovalency is the number of electrons lost or gained by an atom during the formation of ionic bonds. Okay, that is called electrovalency. Okay, students, in my next video, I will discuss the next two types of chemical bonds, covalent bond and coordinate bonds. Okay, students, goodbye, study well.